Tayong pre-spin sa Uni Oil. Okay, so tingnan natin kung pinasin tayo ngayon. Okay, so yan. Pre-spin. Let's go. So yan, so ito yung chances. 50 pesos, 100, 200, 1,000, may 500, may 10,000, may 100,000. So meron tayong 6 spin. Okay, try natin. At ano ba yun? Try again. So, ang daming try again, oh. Okay, doon na lang. So, meron pa akong 5 spin. Okay. So, spin lang. Uni Oil, Peel, and Win. So, spin tayo, guys. Check natin. Oy, try again. So, kung alam mo, yung puro try again, kung pera lang yan, nakakadalawa na tayo. Nawala bang full tank dito? Bili nga full tank. Kahit yung try again, full tank. Wow! Try again. Ako. Hindi pa naubos yung try again. Puro try again. Wow. So, last 3. Last 3, guys. Uni Oil, Peel, and Win. So pag doon ka nagpapagas, guys, so meron kang pre-spin na wheel. So, last 2. Wow. Alright, last 2 spin. 100,000, 100,000 mo. 100,000 mo. Naku. Konti na lang, oh. 10,000 na yung kasunod, oh. Okay, yan nila lang. Last one, guys. Go. Eto na yan. Abracadabra. Bang! Bang! 100,000 ko! 100,000! 100,000! Susunod na daming dadaanan. 100, 100. Tapos yung yun lang. Ay. So, better luck next time, guys. Okay. Uni Oil, Peel, and Win. Okay. So, yun lang. Paggas ulit tayo. Para makakuha lang tayo nitong na to. Spin